I just want to do a little sound review on this Gibson Les Paul Special. Flat top, nothing fancy, but these pickups just scream. I mean, they're super loud, so I just want to do a little sound. I don't ever really do much with clean stuff. Just an old rocker, I guess. But this thing has amazing sustain on it, and I've had one other guitar that was really good at tapped harmonics, and that was an ESP Horizon. And this thing is the same. So if you like to do that kind of thing, great. So great sustain on this thing. I mean, the action is amazing. Like I said, I didn't want to spend, I used to have a Les Paul Standard, but I didn't want to spend $2,500 or more. But I did, however, want a Les Paul by Gibson, the US Gibson. And I mean, I paid $9.99 for this at Zounds. Like I say, just a stripped down, bare bones rocker. I mean, this thing screams. And I'm not, like I say, I'm not crazy about the paint. It's all worn white. It looks to me like somebody half painted it. But still looks cool. Plays amazing. So, if you could ever afford to get one, and you can't afford a standard, look no further than this. Because if you're a rocker, this will definitely, So anyway, Les Paul Special, worn white. Great guitar. I recommend it. Again, stripped down, doesn't have the greatest tuners, and it only comes in a gig bag. But these pickups in this thing are just super hot. So stay safe, everybody, and thanks for watching.